Welcome. Today I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to do a screencast using Ubuntu. The first thing you're going to want to do is install the application. It's called RecordMyDesktop and it's front end GTK-RecordMyDesktop. You can use Synaptic Package Manager, and as you can see, the two applications are GTK RecordMyDesktop or RecordMyDesktop. I found those by typing in the quick filter RecordMyDesktop. I didn't even get all the way through it and it's already got them in there. The other way to do that is to search under applications. You just type in record. You can see the desktop recorder is the name of it here. That would normally show up under apps available for download. I've already got it installed, so it shows up as installed. That is actually the GTK-RecordMyDesktop and the necessary background application RecordMyDesktop. Once it's installed, if you wanted to run the application, you would click here. And then you get this dialog box, and it's all set up to record on your screen. You could draw a picture on the screen to show the area that you want to record, or simply click record and that would record your whole desktop. If you're doing a single windowed application, you might just go ahead and select an area around that application, but you have to be really careful if any dialog boxes pop up that are external to the application, because those might go outside the area. I normally select the whole entire desktop because then I get everything. As you can see, I've also included in the lower right hand corner a window that's using Cheese, the webcam booth program, and it's simply showing my face. Some people like that, some people don't. I wanted to show it to you as an option. It's actually this size, and what you do is kind of slide it down in the corner so that most of the application isn't showing just your face, and then you've got a small window with your face on it. If you're going to go ahead and demonstrate an application, you would simply click on that application. It would pop up in the window. You could then go through any of the icons or the menu items and show people how to use it. For my purposes, I want this to be really quick, so I'm just going to open up some code. As you can see, I do a lot of Project Euler things. There's the code. You could then go through with people to show it. If you wanted to zoom, you can set up the zoom feature and you'd be able to zoom in or zoom out. Don't make it too big or too small like I did there, but that was just for an example. Once you're done, you're actually going to have an output file in .ogv format. One of the problems that you have is if you try to upload that, so right there's our .ogv, if you try to upload that to YouTube, it's actually not going to process properly. So what we need to do is do some post-processing, and I've actually done that, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this better. Okay, here you go. You can see that it's FFmpeg-I, and you can see the rest there. You probably don't have FFmpeg installed if you're doing a default install, so you will have to go ahead and install that program as well. Once you run this transcoding, I call it transcoding, you'll be fine. You can upload the resulting FLV to YouTube and it processes fine. One warning, when you actually stop your video and it's actually RecordMyDesktop is doing what it does to process your video, it will take a long time, particularly if your video is of any length. How you go ahead and stop that is with the little red stop, or there's pause, and that's useful. I have 3 kids. A lot of times I'll get interrupted. Hitting pause so you can go do something else, take a drink of water, run to get the front door, whatever. That's really going to help instead of having to totally redo a long video. And that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Hope that helps you out, particularly when you're doing any classroom Ubuntu things on IRC and you want to show people a video how to do it. If you're going to do something on the wiki and you just think, wow, I really want to have people see a video of this instead of just a bunch of text and screenshots, a lot of times people learn better with a video. So get to screencasting. Help your fellow Ubuntu users find great ways to use their applications. Thanks, have a good one, and see you later.